Welcome. In this video, I'll be playing with a door and looking at some springs. Does your dishwasher door feel like £1,000,000? Or maybe it no longer stays upright like it used to? In this video, we will be covering issues that dishwashers may have when the door starts to fall flat on the ground. To be able to get to the key components that keep the door from slamming the floor every time you open the dishwasher, you will need to remove these two screws and pull the unit out from its cubby. The surprises I find are endless.
Ooh, candy.
Most of the time, dishwasher doors are stop assisted by a spring. The spring attaches to a string, which then attaches to the door hinge. However, in our situation, the spring is attached directly to the door hinge by a plastic clip. A lot of the times, the plastic clips will break or the string will snap before anything happens to the spring itself. And again, in our situation, we have the spring attaching directly to the door hinge. Most of the time, when the spring is directly attached to the door hinge, the spring itself will stretch out, causing a poor tension, which results in the door slamming harder and harder until eventually there will be no resistance for the door on its way down to the floor. Now, there are quite a few pre-drilled holes to be able to mount the spring further back to increase the tension, but that only works if the spring is actually providing the tension. Hoo-wee! Yeah, buddy. Thank you all for watching. Please drop a like and hit that subscribe button.